weather's been extremely random this week. I thought we finally got summer because it was really hot for like a few days, and then suddenly, like the last 2 days, like especially today, the temperature dropped to like cold again to like 17 or 18. So I'm like, what's going on? The funny thing is, I already brought out all my summer clothes out. So it's like I needed to wear a hoodie today because it was just cold. So I don't understand what's happening with the weather. So it's kind of annoying because you don't know how to dress because the weather's so random. But yeah, hope it's supposed to rain this coming week. So I'm not sure what's gonna happen honestly. So I'm gonna need an umbrella, I guess. Um, I had work today, and then afterwards, I had dinner with my dad because it's Father's Day tomorrow. But I needed to have it a day early because not everyone's free tomorrow. And then my brother went on a cruise last Tuesday, so he did it last week. So technically, one of the siblings, could have done Father's Day on the Sunday, but it's really busy everywhere, so it's just good to get out of the way today. It was also busy today. We had Greek food, and I had the roast, and that was awesome. And then I came home, and I don't know what happened. I basically came home, and then I was gonna shower, but then I ended up falling asleep. It's been a pattern lately of that. Basically, coming home from work, I'm exhausted, and my intent is to shower and just rest, but I just end up falling asleep, waking up an hour later, which followed by me actually showering then, and then chilling, and then going to sleep. So that's just what happened. I showered just now, not too long ago, and then I chilled a bit, and now I'm ready for bed again. So I think that's why the vlogs have been so bad these last 2 weeks. I think I'm just still adjusting to the workload that it is on that new store. It's getting there. It's getting there. All I can say is that Zion has done an amazing job organizing cleaning. So once everything is more completed and things aren't on my mind, I think I'll just sleep a little better and not be so tired. But at the end of the day, my main concern is that I'm worried that all my hard work is going to be wasted because I'm not there permanently. So, that's going to suck. But I just have to keep reminding myself it shouldn't matter. Just do what you can. And at the end of the day, I can just say, I tried my best. Whatever. Bye. Anyway, I promise next week will be a little better. But you know what? I shouldn't make that promise because vlogs have been sucking. Maybe I should just do another video. Maybe I should do another sound video or thinking out loud video. I have some subjects I want to talk about for thinking out loud episode, so maybe I'll do that. I don't know. We'll have to see. But for now, as I'm gonna head to bed again, I'm gonna end the vlog properly. So I'll see you all next week.